Close your eyes for a second. It's late 2026. You're sitting at your kitchen table after another long day. The news is blaring about AI taking jobs, tariffs shaking supply chains, and markets swinging like a drunk uncle at Thanksgiving. Your phone lights up with another, once-in-a-lifetime, stock tip from some guy on YouTube who's never met a payroll in his life. Your stomach tightens. You've worked too damn hard, the overtime, the skipped vacations, the money you set aside instead of buying that boat or that dream trip, to watch it all get chewed up by the next headline. Most Americans feel exactly this way right now. They're exhausted from chasing returns that feel more like gambling than investing. But here's what the loudest voices won't tell you. The real winners in 2026 won't be the ones swinging for the fences. They'll be the quiet ones who chose something far more powerful than excitement. They chose safety, the kind that actually lets you sleep at night. The dirty little secret about safe investments. Everyone loves to throw around the word safe. Gold bugs scream it. Crypto bros whisper it. Financial influencers slap it on anything that pays them a commission. But let's be honest with each other. Gold can drop 20% in a month when the dollar gets strong. Crypto? We've all seen what happens when the music stops. Even broad stock indexes, the so-called safe long-term bet, can lose 30 to 50% in a bad year. And when you're 52 years old with 2 kids in college and a mortgage, that kind of safe feels like Russian roulette with your family's future. So what actually is safe in 2026? It's the investment that has never failed the American people in over 200 years. It's the one backed by the full faith and credit of the United States government. Short-term U.S. Treasury securities, specifically Treasury bills and short-term notes, are the single safest place for your money right now. Why this feels different? Because it is. This isn't some boring lecture about bonds. This is about something deeper. When you buy Treasuries, you're not just parking cash. You're doing something profoundly American. You're lending money to the strongest economy and most powerful military the world has ever seen, and getting paid to do it. Think about that for a second. While other countries' debt gets shaky, while corporations can go bankrupt, while banks can fail, even if FDIC covers some of it, the U.S. government has never defaulted on its debt. Not once. Through civil war, world wars, depressions, pandemics, and every crisis in between. That's not just safety. That's legacy. It's the same choice your grandparents made when they bought war bonds. The same quiet strength that built the middle class. And in 2026, with uncertainty everywhere, it's the move that separates people who hope their money survives from people who know it will. The emotional math nobody talks about. Let's get real about what return actually means. A 10% gain on stocks that keeps you up at 3 a.m. isn't a return. It's anxiety with extra steps. But a guaranteed 4 to 5%, depending on current rates, on short-term treasuries? That's freedom. Freedom to tell your boss to shove it if things get toxic. Take that family vacation without checking your brokerage app every morning. Know your kid's college fund won't vanish because some CEO tweeted something stupid. Look your spouse in the eyes and say, "We're going to be okay." That peace of mind? It compounds faster than any stock ever could. And here's the beautiful part, short-term treasuries are liquid. Need the money in 3 months? Sell them. No penalties, no drama. Try getting that from a 5-year CD or a rental property. How regular Americans are actually doing this in 2026. You don't need to be rich. You don't need a financial advisor who charges 1% a year to manage your safety. Here's how thousands of smart Americans are protecting themselves right now. TreasuryDirect.gov, the government's own website. Free, no fees. Takes about 10 minutes to set up. You can buy T-bills directly and they automatically roll, or you get your money back at maturity. Through your brokerage, Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard. Buy ultra-short Treasury ETFs like SGOV or BIL. Same government backing. Trades like a stock. Super liquid. Pair it with a CD ladder for a little extra yield while staying 100% FDIC insured. Stagger 3-month, 6-month, and 1-year CDs so you always have money coming due without locking everything up. This isn't sexy. It's not going to make you a millionaire overnight. But it will make you the calmest person in the room when everyone else is panicking in 2027. The question only you can answer. If you knew, really knew, that your money was 100% safe, government guaranteed, and still earning competitive interest in this crazy year, how would that change the way you live? Would you finally start that side business? Spend more time with your kids instead of stressing over charts? Stop doom scrolling financial Twitter at midnight? That's what this investment actually buys you. Not just dollars. Decades of peace. While the crowd chases the next shiny object. While the influencers scream about 10x gains. While the markets throw tantrums, the quiet Americans are doing something radical. They're choosing to win by refusing to lose. Your move. 2026 doesn't have to be another year of financial anxiety. It can be the year you finally put your money somewhere that respects how hard you worked for it. Somewhere that treats your family's future like it actually matters. The safest investment in 2026 isn't exciting. It's not trendy. It's not going to get you on a podcast. But it might just be the smartest financial decision you make this decade. Because in the end, the greatest return isn't measured in percentages. It's measured in the nights you actually sleep. And the smile on your face when you realize, I'm not hoping anymore, I'm protected. Now go protect what you've built. You've earned it.